So this is how you factory reset your Fire Stick. So what you would need to do is, here's the remote, and we're now going to navigate over to the settings column. So you scroll all the way to the right, go to the settings. From there, we're going to scroll down to My Fire TV. From there, we're going to scroll all the way down to reset to factory defaults. And here you would click reset. There's also another way to reset to factory defaults, and I'm going to show you this now. It's quite simple. So if we're looking at the remote right now, you're looking for the back button and the right button, and you'll just hold these two down for about 10 seconds. Don't mind the remote going crazy. Keep holding it until you see that. So usually you would use this if you have no control over the Fire Stick, that sort of thing. And I'm actually going to go ahead and redo this now. And you'll see now resetting factory defaults on your Fire Stick.